welcome back to my channel, my beautiful makeup tutorial.
I'm not that good at doing light faces, so... Alright.
Well, let's get started.
Alright, let's go. This. Okay. Oh god, did some fall?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. I need more, I like a lot more. Oh gosh. Come on down. Okay. Alright. There. Oh yeah, that's filling in your face, you can see. Mm-hmm. It's kind of like, I don't know, it's kind of getting a little bit clumpy. Wait. Alright. Okay, you gotta fill in your nose and stuff. I need some more on this side. Just filling in stuff. Wait, I got some in your eyebrows. Okay, this concealer. Okay, using this thing. Okay. Do not know how to use any of this stuff. Oh gosh. Okay. Where do I want to put this? I'm going to put some right up here. I'm going to put some right here. A little bit right there. And right there. Okay. And then, I don't know what this is doing, but I'm just guessing. Oh gosh, that's turning you white. No. Oh no, I'm white now. Okay. Alright, this is medium full face foundation, and this is, they're both foundations, so, okay. I don't think this is right. Oh, no. I know it's not right. If I didn't have all this confusing stuff, I would have done way better. No. Watch, this is gonna turn you dark.
A lot of foundation on my face.
Oh no, I don't think I'm doing something right. Oh gosh. I can fix this with powder. I can definitely fix it. I just need a little bit more of this.
Be careful, you don't put it. Well, she did put it on.
Alright. Okay, that looks good. Highlighter. Okay. I think it goes over here, pretty sure. I'm bad at makeup, so I'm gonna put some on your nose. Okay. Oh no, this is not how I wanted it to turn out. This looks really bad. Okay, so I just feel like I need to just like blend this all. Okay, wait, I just want to try something. Maybe like, where do I want it? I want some like right under here. Okay, hold on, that was kind of going down. Alright, and then I want some right here. On your nose. I cannot do makeup. We're using this palette, and I'm going to use this color. They don't have names. I don't like palettes that don't have names. Oh, wait, this one? It's called, wait, so is it going to be this one or this one?
This one.
Okay. So, porcelain. It's called porcelain. Oh, like a no, but this looks like porcelain and this looks like...
No, no. That's
Doom.
porcelain. Mm-hmm. No, porcelain is that one.
Oh, I would think like a porcelain doll, kind of like this color. Okay. So I'm gonna put this in her crease. Bad. Ooh, okay. I'm just not good at eyeshadow, so I hope this turns out good. Like, really good. Okay. Right, okay, let's go with that. Oh, that doesn't look too bad. Oh gosh, it got all down here. Oh well.
Oh my god.
Yeah, it's down there. It's on your eyelid, right? Ooh, that looks... That doesn't look bad. I'm gonna fix this.
Oh my god.
Somehow. Gonna fix this, y'all. I need to clean this up. Okay. I'm gonna clean
Oh my god.
this up. Yeah, I already stained her shirt. Well, not stained, but I helped her shirt be more colorful. Hold on. This got off. That doesn't look equal. Like, there's more brown on that side than this side. Or no. I'm not satisfied. That's a, ooh, pop. Ooh. You know? We're going for the look, this look is called over-exaggerated. Oh my! Okay, close up. It doesn't look bad, but like, ooh, just wait until I put your lashes on. That's gonna be funny. Which is, okay. Okay. Oh God, that's.
Oh my gosh. I am nervous.
Oh no, I already know I can't do this. Okay, let's just try. My hand's really shaky.
Go ahead.
Oh gosh, she opens her eyes, it looks bad. So from afar, let's just keep it from afar, because from close up does not look good. Actually, natural looks good, but not full looks.
Yeah.
I put them on top. Yeah, that's actually went on a lot easier than I thought it would. Stick. Okay, that's a lot. That went on a lot easier than I thought. It's not.
Really?
Okay. That fixed it, y'all. I told you.
Well, at least she knows how to put eyelashes.
I didn't think we're gonna be using this brush that doesn't have a name. You can kind of use like any blush brush, really. Okay, I don't like heavy blush, so I'm gonna put. Oh no! Now you look like a clown. I'm gonna fix that. Okay, that doesn't look too bad. Oh wait, is this on right? On the nose. On the nose. You don't look so bad. Your eyeshadow looks really bad though. I'm gonna put on mascara now. Well, I never tried with this one because I use the L'Oreal. Yeah, we both use L'Oreal, but I use the yellow L'Oreal, and it doesn't have like this type of brush. It has like the the fluffy one. Okay. This doesn't even look like it puts anything on. Oh, that's way too hard. How do you even work with this? No, how do you even do that? Oh, wait, that's too thick. Way too thick.
Oh my god.
I think we're done. I don't know what it's called, but it looks like this. Oh, it's something of colors. And it's 6, 3, 2, 1 Rosebud. And it's really like thick.
Oh, it tickles.
Pop Ultra Glossy Lip. And this is 1AG2. Is that how you say it? This is weird. It's glossy. What did you do? Okay, so this is the final look.
Oh,
Really bad.
actually, it's
Come to Sabrina for a bad look. I'll do you up and make you look. That's rhymed. Okay. Yeah. She looks. I don't know.
I look extra shiny.
Yeah, this is called the exaggerated look. So if you want one of those, come to me. Yeah.
She's not that bad though.
So make sure you comment down below what you thought and what you want to see more from her. And
let me know, guys, what do you think about her creation?
yeah, and make sure to give this video a like, subscribe, comment down below, and go watch her recent. Why?
I know.
So you can get another.
All right, guys. Thank you for watching, and till
See
next
you.
time. See you. Love you. Bye.
Bye.